Nick joins us live in Canton to explain what this means. David.
Erica, these conversations might have remained sealed forever if not for the efforts of a lawyer from out of state who wouldn't take no for an answer.
I'll see you at sidebar. Come up here.
While millions of people watch Karen Read's 2 criminal trials, almost no one knows what was said at the judge's bench during numerous sidebars.
The first trial ended and I was dying to see the sidebars.
Corey Hopkins is an attorney from North Carolina who followed both trials and describes herself as a supporter of Karen Read. When the district attorney's office refused her public records request for the sidebar transcripts, she decided to sue.
I guess that's how badly I wanted to see what's in those sidebars.
Sidebars are a chance for the judge and attorneys to sort out legal issues without the jury or the public knowing what is said. But sidebars are recorded and eventually transcribed. Now, Judge Beverly Cannoni, who initially sealed the sidebar transcript, has ordered them to be made available, with the exception of any sidebars where juror or juror issues were discussed.
Essentially, they are agreeing to the relief that I requested in my motion, and they are going to start producing the transcripts within 30 days, if not sooner.
The transcripts could shed light on both sides' legal strategies during the criminal trials and reveal evidence the jurors never saw. They might also play a role in the upcoming civil cases involving Read, the family of John O'Keefe, plus several witnesses and police investigators.
I don't think it's going to favor one side or the other exclusively. I think it'll be a bit of both.
Now, Karen Read was found not guilty of murder and manslaughter at the end of the second trial. Whatever these transcripts reveal, that cannot change. Live in Canton, David Bieniek, WCVB News Center 5.